Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Momma MD, Makeup Diva. Anyways, on today's video, I told you guys I wanted to start a new series on my channel where I go back to all of my different eyeshadow palettes and I start creating different looks than what I hope I have already done on my channel. The reason for doing this is I am a self-proclaimed, I guess you could call it, hoarder. I am not ready to get rid of anything, so I want to make the best of everything that I have, which means going back and checking through and reusing and using some of my old eyeshadow palettes. So as I told you guys in the last video that I filmed, I'm coming back with the Dose of Colors Friendcation palette, and I know for a fact that when I was doing the review for this palette, I really focused more on the berry tone, so I'm gonna, especially with what I have on today for work, I'm gonna focus more over on this side and go with more of a warmer look. So if you are interested to see what I create with this palette, make sure to stay tuned. But before we get started, I'm not on YouTube algorithm's fun, nice list. They like me list, whatever you want to call it. So I'm asking you guys to help me out by giving me a big thumbs up and sharing this video or sharing my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to check my second channel out, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, as well as my daughter Haley's channel. Love Haley. Both will be linked down in the description box down below for you guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and create some sort of look. Okie dokie. So I am going to go ahead and, as far as primer, not using it, I just have concealer on. And I have on the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer. That has been my go-to. I am trying to hurry up and get out the door, so I'm gonna stick mostly with probably like one brush, guys. Okay, two. So this is the Alter Ego brush. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is like the creamy bone colored, maybe with a little bit of a pink undertone. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over the lid. Again, if you guys enjoyed this series, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and let me know, because I enjoy hearing y'all's feedback. Going in with this one next, and I'm going to just go ahead and place that shade more so in, I think I'm going to do like on my lid, a little bit on my lid, and then up into the crease part. I like doing these videos too because I feel like it gives you guys different ideas on how, or different variations on different looks to create with these palettes, as well as, you know, they're quick. It's not like I'm doing like a long drawn out, well, I assume that, long drawn out tutorial or anything, because I know you guys are busy too and you don't always want to sit through like a 20 or 30 minute video, so I appreciate the time that you guys do give me. So that is what I'm going to do here. Again, I'm sorry, typically I pat and then swipe, but sometimes I lose my marbles. I'm going to put a little bit of this darker, or a little bit of this shade right here underneath my eye as well, just to kind of warm it up and so it all kind of meshes together. From there, I do want to go in with this beautiful terracotta shade. Whoa, would you look at that? Names are on the back. I believe this is Churro. If it's not, I'm sorry. So again, just sticking with a fluffy Morphe M576 brush, and I'm gonna focus Churro more on the like outer part right through here. I'm gonna dab and then swirl and a little under. Remember guys, judgment-free zone, so we don't judge. We just sit, chat, and have fun. This is the drama-free section of the YouTube, where one side is always higher than the other. My camera always goes out of focus. I am going to use this shade right here called Dirty Money, and I'm just going to apply that with my finger all over my lid. I know it drives some people nuts that I use my finger to do and apply my shimmers, but I feel like that is like the easiest way for me, no matter what brand that I use. I just really like the payoff that I get. So I'm putting that literally all over the lid, maybe not so much like this outer corner, but majority of the lid. And then what I'm going to do is go in with this shade right here called Just a Kiss. And I'm literally just going to tie up just a little bit in this inner part right here. And my battery just went low. Oh, gosh. Yeah, just like so. It kind of folds it out just a little bit more, which didn't know it was going to do that, but that's okay. Then I'm going to take Just a Kiss on a little pencil brush and plop that right into my inner corner, because I seem to be loving that look lately. I don't know. And then I kind of want to add a little bit of this Game Over shade. I'm just going to take a Juno ES, this is, what are you? ES08 brush. And it's probably a pencil brush, but it's smaller. And I just want to kind of pack it right here. My camera's still filming. Just like so. Kind of give it like a little smoky-esque look. And a little under. Oh, I like that. Okay, guys, I'm going to hop off. I'm going to do my liner and my mascara. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I'm back with my liner and my mascara. And that's the look. Easy, simple. However, just a little tweak of fun in there. Like, so as you guys know, I'm leaving. I'm going to the office today, and I love this look. So there's a way to have like those pops of colors, or be just a smidgen on the bold side, or a little bit on the sultry side, whatever you want to call this look right here, and still be okay to go to work. So if that makes sense. So anyways, I'm gonna hop off here. Before I go, I do want to give much love to my notification squad. If you want to be a part of the notification squad, y'all, it's really easy. Just make sure you're subscribed to my channel, click that notification bell 2 times, and then leave me a comment down below, hashtag notification squad, hashtag Team Hotmess, for a chance at a shout out in a future video. Today's notification shout outs go to, and I'm actually pulling from my community post today, and my community post shout outs go to Laura Woody, Heather Gardner, and Gayatri Maharo. Here. Can you guys see that maybe? I don't know. I'm really sorry. G. I'm going to call you G, because I can't enunciate to save my soul. So I apologize, but I still want to show you guys some love and appreciation, because I truly do support, or I truly do appreciate y'all, all y'all's support. Okay, so here's the deal, guys. I wasn't supposed to have to make this drive around the tri-state today, and it became like a emergency situation. And I was like, wait, what? I had planned on working from home today. So that is why I am like all kinds of 10 times frazzled. But as you guys know, sitting down and from filming for you guys, even though I may be flubbering over my words like a lunatic, this is therapeutic. This is my peace. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Always find your peace. Positive side of this. I'll let you guys know. I don't know. Sorry, earbud users. I'm loud and obnoxious. Anyways, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I also, like I said, have a second channel. It's vlogs, keto related, all kinds of whatever is over on that channel for y'all, as well as, of course, Haley's channel. Check the description down below. As far as everything that is on my face, of course, that's going to be listed down below and linked for you guys as well. Anyways, until next time, my friends, as always, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.